Community-driven ocean restoration, a success story, SEF, the Spaceship Earth Fund, believes in empowering communities to lead ocean restoration efforts, ensuring that local ecosystems thrive for future generations. Community-driven projects have proven to be some of the most successful in restoring marine environments, demonstrating that local involvement can make a big impact. The power of community involvement. Ocean conservation is most effective when local communities are involved in the process. By educating and empowering people to take action, communities can lead restoration projects that have long-lasting impacts. SEF recognizes the value of community engagement and actively supports initiatives that encourage local participation in ocean conservation. A success story: Southern California's kelp forest restoration. One shining example of community-driven restoration is Nancy Caruso's work in Southern California. After kelp forests were decimated by overfishing and pollution, Coruso led a restoration project that involved local volunteers in the replanting of kelp. With SEF's support, these restoration efforts are now helping kelp forests recover, providing habitat for marine species and stabilizing the local ecosystem. Engaging communities for ocean restoration. SEF believes that educating and engaging communities is key to the success of any conservation project. SEF-funded programs offer training to local residents on how to restore their marine environments, giving people the tools and knowledge they need to make a lasting impact. These efforts ensure that communities have ownership of their local ecosystems and are invested in their long-term health. The ripple effect of community-led projects. When communities take action, it creates a ripple effect. Restoration projects not only improve local ecosystems, but also inspire others to get involved in ocean conservation. By supporting community-driven efforts, SEF is helping to build a global movement for ocean restoration and protection. Call to action: join SEF in supporting community-driven ocean restoration projects. Get involved today and be a part of the solution for healthier oceans.